Okay guys, welcome back to another brand new lecture. Now this is very similar to the first ChatGPT content creation lecture, where this time what we're going to do, we're just going to spin it around a bit and I'm going to create some animal facts. Now obviously the first one we created psychology facts. It included boy facts, girl facts, friendship facts, love, romance, all that kind of stuff. However, as you would have seen at the start, I've always made my pages from animal facts as I personally prefer them. But I thought I'd give you guys the choice. You can either do animal facts or you could do stuff like psychology facts. It's completely up to you. They're both tried and tested. They're both proven to work. But this time, let's go through getting some content from ChatGPT for animal facts because, yeah, I love them, guys. So if we hop right in, let's go and ask ChatGPT, I want you to come up with some crazy nature facts. In the format, let's say I'm going to show you, and then we'll go again, guys. It's going to be, the facts need to be split into two parts. The first part is obviously the intriguing part, and it should hook people in, and then the second part should finish off the fact, and yeah, that should read really well. So for example, part one, the heart of a blue whale is so big ... Part two, humans can swim through their arteries. So guys, obviously it hooks people in, and then part two is just a reference to the actual facts. So let's see if it understands. Yep, part one. Okay, so it looks like it does understand, but there looks like to be quite a bit of text for each answer. Now, I want these facts to be a bit more, let's say, we need to be a bit more specific categories. So let's go insects, fish, mammals, let's go reptiles and birds. So let's categorize them all of those categories. And obviously we need to put our target audience in here as well. So target audience is both male and female in their 20s on YouTube. I mean, you could do kind of 15 to 40s if you want, but 20, normally that is the kind of best audience. So let's ask him to give an example of each category, the fish, insects, mammals, reptiles and birds. Let's see what it does. Okay, so we've got insects, we've got fish, we've got mammals and reptiles. Okay, good. The only issue is here, guys, there's a lot of text on here, and when you're doing vertical videos, it's not so great. So let's see if we can reduce the size of each part. Obviously these need to be snappy and straight to the point. We don't want too much text because it's going to be too hard to read on a vertical video. So let's see what it does. Okay, it's reduced the first part a little bit. The second part is still a bit long, but it's not too bad actually. That's a lot better than the first. Okay, good. So now I want you to categorize these in an Excel style format. Again, guys, now ChatGPT has understood the assignment. What we need to do is just get in a category in an Excel style format so it's easy for us to copy and paste it across. So just again, guys, you've just got to teach it, say, you need to do the format in the following style. So theme is one, where you choose between fish facts, reptile facts, insects facts, birds or mammals. So the theme always needs to be first, and you've got part one and part two of the facts. So let's see how we go. Okay, so insect fact, fish fact, mammal fact, reptile fact, bird fact. Okay, that's fine. But again, guys, there's still a lot of text in there. So, okay, that's good. Now, please do, let's say 50 more this time, see if it works. 50 more in the same format, but we need to reduce the size. So please keep the text, the length of the text to a minimum. We just want it short and snappy, guys. We don't want too much text on these shorts. So if we ask him one more time to just reduce the length of the text so it's easier to read, hopefully it should be better. Let's have a look. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's so much better. As you can see, guys, the length of the text is massively reduced. That'd be so much easier for our viewers to read on there. So that was 50 really quick nature facts. So that's really good. Got bird facts, mammal facts, insect facts. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at some of these. Oh yeah, these are really good. In Africa, the Nile crocodile has a powerful jaw grip with a force to crush bones or even large prey. Let's have a look some more. In Africa, the ostrich can run at speeds of 45 miles an hour, making it the fastest two-legged animal on the planet. In the Galapagos Islands, marine iguanas dive into the ocean to feed on algae. Okay, guys, yeah, I'm really happy with these. In Asia, the king cobra can stand tall and look a human in the eye. Yeah, wow, these are good. I didn't even know half of these, so yeah, I'm really happy with these. So again, guys, what we're gonna do is just copy and paste, and then here we've got 50 really quick, really engaging, really cool animal facts ready to go, ready to get into Canva. So again, guys, look, what we can do here is also, if you only want us to post a specific one, we could go to filter, and then we could choose, let's say, let's go insect fact, and we've got all these insect facts here. Again, we could just go on to something else. We could choose, let's say, reptile facts. Again, we've got loads of reptile facts here, so if you want a specific one, or you just have all of them showing. So that's 50 really engaging, really cool facts. Well played, guys. Thank you, good job, and we will see you in the content creation phase in Canva. See you next time.